Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about why this will be the last internal combustion engine that I'm ever going to buy. And the simple reason is this is why I wanted to get the Mustang right here and right now. Because we're at the cusp of a really huge technological change that will reverberate throughout the industry, throughout transportation. And that's the rise of the electric car. It's had some fits and starts. There's been a lot of early players out there, but I know that it's coming, and it's coming very quickly, and it'll be an instant switch. We'll say, sure, internal combustion engines will be out through the 2040s. There'll still be them around. They'll still be around, but I think it's going to go a lot quicker than anybody expects because of the benefits. I think the key thing that really makes it viable is its simplicity. There's only a few parts that are moving in an actual electric vehicle, which means your labor costs go down, your ability to develop these new technologies and change them out, modify them with nearly fully software enabled switches. Those things are what's going to drive the auto industry to that next level. It's saving in cost rather than providing superior quality to everybody. And by doing so, this is going to change the industry. It's going to change the way we look at manufacturing. There's many analogies to my career. I'm halfway through my career, and I'm looking forward, and I'm saying that the things that got me to this point are not going to get me to that next step. Even in the last 20 years since I've been here in the working force, it has changed significantly. Things that have happened just a couple years or a year after leaving school, those things are now taking over the industries and coming in. So I'm realizing as I come into the second phase of my career that it's very different. And so what do? You can either hunker down and say nothing's going to change, I'm going to continue to stay and do what I do, and it's going to be relevant. The other one is to accept those changes and move forward, understand the limitations and move forward and reinvent yourself. The great part is that the ability to customize and learn has changed so much now with online learning that you can become certified in new skills and techniques almost instantly as in how much time you can watch and learn and go through all of these self-study tools. There's never before been a time in which you can gain new skills very rapidly. All it requires is that intentionality, the focus, and the drive. So I hope this encourages you if you're in a point in which you don't know what the next steps are. Sometimes it's about improving the surroundings. It's sometimes about improving yourself, but mostly it's about finding that right fit. If we've done it right, you've created a very unique set of skills that only you can fill. The trick is to find that position, job, vocation, career, purpose that matches that unique set of skills. Sometimes you can't find that. And what do? You develop new skills and create an entirely different dimension that you can grow into, making you more unique. So I hope this was helpful for you. Until next time, bye.